Hello everybody, welcome to this video. My name is Sun from Teleprompter.com, and today we're going to be speaking about how could you make money on TikTok. So the first way you can make money on TikTok is through monetization of your content, which is very similar to YouTube, but TikTok is kind of like a new space, so it's very much like the Wild West. There's a lot of space for new creators to grow, and there are a lot of niches that do need people to produce content in. If you're a creative person and you enjoy creating new videos, then this may be something that you want to consider. All you need for that is to join TikTok Creativity Fund and be from an eligible country. TikTok has a very regional distribution system, and the way it works is that it works on your SIM card. So wherever you build your account on that SIM card and you use that SIM card, then the content gets posted to that region specifically. So for that, what you can do is to create an account for the country that you want to promote your stuff on. And the way that it works is that you do have to have a SIM card from that country, or use an eSIM, or just make sure that you basically eject the SIM card that you're using in order for you to push the content to that region. So that's one way to make money from TikTok, monetization of your content. The other way you can make money on TikTok is to have TikTok affiliates. The way that TikTok affiliate works is that if you don't have a product yourself and you don't want to sell a product yourself, what you can do is to create videos of the product that you think is going to do well, or the product that are already doing well. And the way that it works is that you basically link that product to your videos as you make videos for them, and then you make a percentage of it. It's usually around 10 to 20 to 30%. And you may say it's not that much, but actually if you do sell, for example, 100 pieces of like a keychain, and it's a product that actually works, and all you had to do was to create a video for it, then that could end up into $200 to $300 a day, which is actually something that you could scale. And if you did that with a lot other product, then you could imagine yourself to quit your normal job and just focus on TikTok affiliates. If you have a product yourself, then the best way for that is to have a TikTok shop. So TikTok does take a little bit of percentage off of you, and I've heard that the algorithm does promote TikTok accounts that have a TikTok shop on it a little bit better than the one who doesn't, because they obviously benefit from you. And the way that works is that you are selling, let's say, a clothing company. And all you have to do is to create content with your clothing company. You can directly mention it or just talk about something else, and then people will be like, oh, that's beautiful, where'd you get it from? And then you can say from here. Then you can link that clothing piece under your reel already. So people are looking at you as you're walking, as this piece is going viral, and then they can see your TikTok shop there and they can click and directly buy from you. The only thing that's a little bit tricky with TikTok shop is that you do have to post it in a very fast time, which is around, I think, 1 to 3 days. So if your product is something that takes time to make, then you don't want to really focus on the TikTok shop. So these are the ways that you make money on TikTok. Now, what are the ways you can actually run traffic to these? Obviously, the first one is to create content, stay consistent with your content, and promote your stuff, whether directly or indirectly. The other one is to run TikTok ads. And TikTok ads are also very simple to run, and the way it works is that it's very much like Facebook ads. The only complicated thing is running the pixel on TikTok, which I'm sure you can find some tutorials on YouTube, but it's a very smooth thing. You can get a lot of engagement, a lot of views, but one thing to keep in mind if you're running ads is that it's going to be a lot more expensive than what you think of if you really want to get results out of it. So I personally would be somebody who focuses more on creating valuable content than focusing on ads. Another way that you can promote your stuff is to collaborate with other creators who may have a similar audience that may be interested in your product. And all you have to do is to reach out to them and offer them to create something together. And that way you can basically be recognized by their audience as well. Another way you can make money on TikTok is to promote songs. There are some record labels out there and some creators out there or some musicians out there who would give you money to promote their videos. So all you have to do is to use their videos and then go viral. And if you go viral, they'll pay around $250 for a video. Now, if you have already reached a certain amount of followers, which is 10,000 people, then you may even focus on the brand deals. That's also another thing that you can focus on. So people get onto you and they tell you, all right, can you talk about this thing, or can you wear this specific thing, and then give people a place to shop this, or maybe you can even sell it for me and I'll give you a percentage. So doing brand deals is also an option on TikTok. And the last way for you to make money on TikTok is to create and sell TikTok accounts. So all you have to do is to pick a niche, hit 10,000 followers and have a good engagement, and monetize the page. And then as you monetize the page, you could sell the page for a very good amount of money as well. And you can just keep producing these as long as you want. All right, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you'd like to level up your content game, then you may want to check out our app, teleprompter.com, in the description below. And I will see you in the next video.